One of the major causes of infertility in women is blocked fallopian tubes. These tubes are the pathway for the egg to reach the uterus, and whenever they're blocked, it can prevent conception. A blockage in the fallopian tubes may happen because of numerous reasons, such as damage, inflammation, or twisting. In this video, I'll show you 17 natural home remedies for blocked fallopian tubes. 1. Quit smoking and drinking. Alcohol and tobacco have been proven to wreak havoc on women's fertility, the failure to conceive due to blocked fallopian tubes being one of the effects. If you're a habitual smoker or have a habit of drinking, it's best to quit before you try to conceive. 2. Include vitamin C-rich foods in your diet. Vitamin C boosts immunity and is essential for the absorption of iron in our foods. Fallopian tube blockages caused by infections can heal with the intake of sufficient vitamin C-rich foods. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, are rich in vitamin C. Apart from these, you can also eat grapefruit, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, green peppers, and kiwi. 3. Meditate to de-stress. Stress is a major contributor to health problems, and it's a major cause of infertility in women. Certain meditation techniques are effective in calming down your body and balancing hormone levels and bodily functions. Therefore, find time every day to meditate a little bit to ease your mind and body. Mornings and evenings are ideal times to meditate. 4. Increase your consumption of garlic. Herbs are mainly categorized on the basis of their ability to perform certain functions, such as balancing hormones or their antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic is a natural antibacterial agent and fights microbes to boost the immune system. It's also helpful in preventing blood clots and platelet aggregation, effectively improving blood circulation. It also reduces scabs and scars from forming, thereby aiding the mucous membrane and keeping the fallopian tubes open. 5. Goldenseal. Goldenseal is a perennial herb found throughout the United States and southern Canada. Traditional healers use the rhizomes and roots for infections and inflammation. Goldenseal has an anti-inflammatory and toning effect on mucous membranes, which line the inside of the fallopian tubes. Goldenseal acts as a broad-spectrum antibiotic against bacteria and fungi. The main alkaloids also have immune-stimulant properties. 6. Increase your consumption of ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric too. With benefits and effects similar to that of garlic, these are also known to reduce inflammation, increase blood circulation, and prevent the blockage of the fallopian tubes. You can make a tea out of these herbs or add them to your diet every day to gain the benefits. 7. Practice yoga. Yoga is a holistic approach to good health and healing. Some of the main reasons for blocked fallopian tubes are infections, inflammation, and scar tissue. Yoga, with its gentle stretching exercises, massages the internal organs and promotes healing. 8. Try using charcoal poultices. Activated charcoal is highly effective in absorbing toxins from the body. It acts as a chemical scrubber. Charcoal poultice, when applied directly over the uterus, can treat infections and reduce inflammation. It's even easy to make at home, using some activated charcoal to cleanse yourself of toxins. 9. Choose herbal tampons. Herbal tampons are an effective way to allow your body to absorb different types of herbal extracts in the reproductive tract, especially when you don't want to consume them. The tampons are soaked in several herbal formulations that are known to cure reproductive ailments. 10. Give yourself a fertility massage. Massages work by improving blood flow to an affected area, which promotes faster healing of tissues and reduced inflammation. And yes, fertility massages can work for a blocked fallopian tube. You can try them all by yourself or consult a therapist who specializes in abdominal massaging. 11. Use castor oil. Castor oil is great for massages and is used in the treatment of many ailments in the body. Its medicinal property is that it affects the circulatory and the lymphatic system by promoting good circulation. It improves the flow of fluids by removing obstacles in the path. 12. Stretching helps. Stretching is a natural exercise to improve circulation. It makes the body more compliant and helps treat injuries. It can also be used to unblock inflamed or injured fallopian tubes. Injury to the fallopian tubes, which results in scarring, is a common phenomenon that blocks the tubes. Regular stretching exercises involving the abdomen can clear the blocked regions and restore blood flow for further healing. 13. Try acupressure. Acupressure is similar to acupuncture, but there are no needles used when it comes to this treatment. The theory behind the treatment is to clear blockages of energy flow in the body by applying pressure on what are known as pressure points on the body. Pressure points relating to the reproductive organs can improve blood circulation. They can also be used to unblock fallopian tubes by lowering inflammation in the region and promote healing. Alternatively, acupuncture can also be used to treat inflammatory obstruction of the fallopian tubes. 14. Go on a fertility cleanse program. This is a body cleanse regimen that is done for 28 days to rid the body of substances that hinder fertility. It includes following a healthy diet with herbs and gives you a detox of the kidney, colon, liver, gallbladder, and rids the body of parasites and heavy metals. This helps the body to absorb nutrients better and improves overall health. 15. Mugwort. Mugwort is an herb sometimes recommended for boosting fertility. It's also recommended for unblocking fallopian tubes. Mugwort has a long history of use for fertility in a number of different cultures. It was used throughout Europe and Asia for centuries. It's often used in Chinese medicine in the form of moxibustion, which involves burning mugwort over an acupressure point. 16. Go on an antioxidant-rich diet. Junk food is loaded with chemicals that resemble some of our hormones, particularly estrogen. Now, these are bad for women, as they often cause hormonal imbalances and are particularly worse for women with blocked fallopian tubes. An antioxidant-rich diet can combat the negative effects of junk food. Fresh fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, especially the colorful types, such as berries. Vegetable oils such as sunflower oil, safflower oil, mustard seed oil, and coconut oil are high in antioxidants and good for use in cooking. Tea and coffee are also high in antioxidants. Additionally, cinnamon, chocolate, soy, and oregano also have necessary antioxidants. A diet to unblock fallopian tubes naturally should be rich in carotenoids, whose antioxidant activity reduces inflamed fallopian tubes. You can include carrots, eggs, papayas, mangoes, spinach, and zucchini in your diet. 17. Poppy seed oil. Using poppy seed oil has proven to be an effective remedy for blocked fallopian tubes. However, it's not exactly a procedure that you can conduct yourself at home. It has to be performed by a trained medical professional. The procedure involves using poppy seed oil to check for fallopian tube blockages. Although the technique has been used for a while, it wasn't until recently the discovery was made that it was the poppy seed oil in itself that has the ability to heal and restore fertility in blocked tubes. The procedure uses a mix of poppy seed oil and dye to flush the fallopian tubes. The mixture shows up on X-ray, indicating blocks in the tube. Although its purpose was investigatory, poppy seed oil turned out to be a part of the cure when water was used instead of the oil to mix with dye. A combination of natural treatments often works well in unblocking your fallopian tubes and improving fertility. You can try out these natural methods for treating blocked fallopian tubes or consult your doctor for the same. 18. Systemic enzyme therapy. Systemic enzyme therapy is a method for helping the body clear itself of excess tissue, break down scar tissues, cleanse the blood, increase circulation to the reproductive organs, and reduce immunological response. Enzyme therapy consists of using systemic enzymes, that's enzymes naturally found in the body, to help the body reduce inflammation, occasional pain, reduce scar tissue, buildup, and more. Systemic enzyme therapy may help to reduce the scar tissue that's blocking your fallopian tubes. Specific systemic enzymes help to eat away and reduce the material that makes up scar tissue over time. This type of therapy is extremely promising for helping the body to reduce excessive scar tissue formation and inflammation. Let's take a look at the medical treatments to unblock fallopian tubes. There are medical treatments you can pursue if you have blocked tubes. For example, a laparoscopy not only diagnoses blockages, but it can also sometimes be used to remove any blockages. Alternatively, a surgeon can remove damaged parts of the tubes and connect the two healthy parts during surgery. While these treatment options are generally more expensive than natural treatments to unblock fallopian tubes, they have a higher success rate. However, if large parts of the tubes are damaged or blocked, it might not be possible to remove the blockages. So, to conclude, if none of the above medical or natural treatments work, there are a number of alternative methods for getting pregnant. These include in vitro fertilization or IVF using your own eggs, IVF using donor eggs, or surrogacy. Speak to your doctor about a fertility plan if you're having difficulty conceiving. Together, you can figure out the cause, possible treatments, and a way forward. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the natural treatments for blocked fallopian tubes. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 19 amazing health benefits and uses of CBD oil for pain, anxiety, and cancer. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.